Я видел.
Чуєш ти, фраєрок? No!
You look so cute in that jumper.
One second, dude.
Swing on me, motherfucker.
This week I called Kate Jenner and I was like, what the fuck?
I don't think so.
Non mi gato, è dei miei amici.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Movie. Get off!
Oh.